Hello everyone, my name is Amit Chaudhary. I am a senior support engineer at Even Solutions. Here I am going to show you how you are creating the Dynamics 365 Finance and Operations bulk data source. If I want to get the data from the bulk like Finance and Operations using a bulk data source, first I'll go to the data sources, click on the bulk sources, and I'll click on the create bulk queries. Here I have options to choose my connections for my queries, like the Dynamics 365 Finance and Operation OData query. Then I'll choose the name, like let's say if I want to get like a get sales invoice header. I'll choose my connection, which I created under my connections. This will show you like a default company that you choose on under the connections. But let's say if I want to get the data from all of the company, then I can choose this checkbox for the all company. Then I'll choose my services, which is my service endpoints. And this will like including your customs. If you have checked that API permissions, you have added under the connections for the customs. So for example, let's say if I want to get the data for the sales invoices, and I'll type it like sales invoice. I'll go to here, which is like sales invoice header. This will show you like the service name, the endpoint. And here you have a two checkbox. You have two options. One is filter, one is select fields. I'll choose go to the select field. It will show you all of the leads, the field names along with the technical names that you can see it like here along with the type. I can choose which are the field I want to get from the source. So for now I'll choose the select all, save it. This way you can get like a data. I'll click on the validate. If I can preview, it will show me all of my list of data. By default it will show only top 5. But let's say if I want to get the data only for few, like this invoice number, I can have a checkbox here. I can do the filter. Either you choose your filter. If you want that particular invoice to be as a filter, I can put it like here in the single quote. This is OData filter expressions. So you can choose like, hey, I want to get the data based upon the date, like the invoice date. I can have like based upon the date, I can filter it out. I can save these filters and I can save it. And if I preview, it will show me only one data for that company. This is data. This is how you can get the data from your bulk. I shown you the example how you can choose your endpoint with your connections with your company and choose the fields, how to use the filters. And the filters expressions, it's the same kind of the format that we used to follow, what the Microsoft has been provided, like the filters in the OData. Yeah, this is how you can build your data sources for FNO.